Have you ever wondered how you can take important tests or certifications right from your own home, while still ensuring fairness and academic integrity? It seems like magic, but there is a clear system in place that makes it possible. Remote proctoring is a technology-based service that allows educational institutions and certification bodies to monitor candidates during online exams from a distance. Its main purpose is to maintain the integrity of the assessment process, ensuring that test takers adhere to rules and do not use unauthorized assistance. This system functions through a combination of software, artificial intelligence, and sometimes live human oversight. Before an exam begins, the proctoring software typically verifies your identity by asking for a photo identification and performing a facial scan. It then checks your testing environment to ensure no prohibited materials are visible and that you are alone in the room. During the exam, the software continuously monitors your webcam, microphone, and computer screen, looking for suspicious behaviors like looking away from the screen frequently, talking aloud, or attempting to open other applications. Artificial intelligence algorithms flag potential violations, which can then be reviewed by a human proctor. To prepare for a remote proctored exam, you will need a reliable computer with a webcam and microphone, a stable internet connection, and a quiet, private space free from distractions. It is crucial to read all exam instructions thoroughly beforehand, as specific rules about allowed materials, bathroom breaks, and room scans vary widely. Always perform a system check well in advance to avoid technical issues on exam day, which can often be the biggest source of stress during these tests. There are three main types of remote proctoring: live proctoring, where a human proctor watches you in real time; recorded proctoring, where your session is recorded for later review; and automated proctoring, which relies solely on artificial intelligence to flag suspicious activity. Each method offers different levels of oversight, with live proctoring often providing the highest level of security. Understanding which type your exam uses can help you mentally prepare for the experience. Ultimately, remote proctoring aims to bridge the gap between convenience and security, allowing you to pursue your educational and professional goals with flexibility. By understanding how these systems work and preparing properly, you can focus on demonstrating your knowledge confidently, knowing that the integrity of your hard work is protected and that your results will be truly reflective of your abilities.